Good morning everyone! Welcome to another vlog. So today is Friday, August 29. And binigyan ako ni mother-in-law ng flowers. Diba? Nandito siya kanina. Binigyan niya ako ng flowers. Diba? Kahit walang okasyon, may flowers. Diba? So mamaya, mga hapon, alis kami ni Kira, punta kami sa Sainsbury's. Di ba, nag-grocery shopping na kami kahapon. Wala lang, gusto lang namin lumabas. So, mamaya na hapon. Maaga pa naman, alas 10 pa lang. Lang ganda. Sa Mark Spencer ata to. Mark Spencer. May pa-flowers si mother-in-law. Sabi ko nga, anong okasyon? Sabi niya, wala lang. Ang bait-bait ko talaga. Si Kira nasa sala. Gawa din naman ang kanyang mga bracelets. Kape ko, pag dalawang kape ko na to, tapos mag-wash na ako. Para mamaya, pag aalis kami, anytime ready na. Si Dave, may work siya bukas. Hindi sa Brighton yung work niya bukas sa an hour and a half. So yeah, mag-wash muna ako and I will talk to you guys after para mag-vacuum ako mamaya dito. Bye! Kapag ready na ako, hugasan ko muna itong mga kinainan namin kanina. Mag-12 pa lang. So alis kami mga 1:30 na. Kasi nga, di ba nag-grocery shopping naman kami kahapon. Gusto lang talaga namin lumabas ulit. Kasi sa Wednesday, back to school na si Kira. Tapos sa Tuesday, meron siyang dental. Pero work ako sa Tuesday. Pero sa fish and chips lang naman. So, dalhin ko muna siya doon sa dental. Mainit na. Kanina ulan. Okay.
Let's do this.
Where is the car key? Oh,
Come on. It's amazing. I'm not joking though. The view's amazing.
Nandito na kami sa The Range. Come on, let's go upstairs, Bob. Come on.
Oh my god, guys, it's Christmas. There's Christmas stuff.
Marami ng mga tindang pang Pasko. It's Christmas. Christmas is coming.
Guys.
Nauna na si Kira. Dito din kami kahapon.
So guys, looking at that, there's only 79.
How about this one?
I had that at home. phone.
Okay.
Can you hold that, please? Can you hold that and show them? That's £1 down.
Can we go around?
Let's just walk around. I don't have to only get bracelet beads, right?
Yeah. Come on, let's go around.
Guys, I'm gonna walk around and there's more bracelet beads. Oh my god, guys.
How much is
I
that?
wish that was for bracelets, but it's not. Even though it's- I got this yesterday.
Oh, I like this. Oh, gusto ko to.
Oh my god, I love that.
Yeah, I know, $29.99.
No, I like that. So I can
£30.
put all my stuff in there.
Yeah.
Guys, somebody beat. You know. So that's 50p.
Yeah. But why it says $129 here?
Ask somebody.
No, this is $129, but that's okay. It's
No.
only $129.
No, mummy. Because, mummy, it says 50p. And it says save
Oh, yeah,
79.
70p. Yes, okay. This is 50p, yeah. That one is good. That one is good, yeah.
I know you would get that if you had money with you. I'm not joking, you would get that for sure.
Yeah, they're really good organizers. Oh, Kira, this is like Auntie Jen.
Yeah, I know. I'm going back to my baby. Pounds.
So, Kira's got 4.
I'll just use the big two.
That's okay.
I have £3. I'm tempted to get this.
How much? It's $4.99.
But I want to get another of these.
Why don't you phone Daddy and ask Daddy? Daddy, can you give me £2, please? Get my
Why
phone.
would he do that?
That's okay, ask Daddy.
What, and then you pay him back?
Yeah.
I'm immediately doing that.
Tinawagan niya si Dave.
So, can I have £2 and Mummy will pay you back? For more bracelet beads?
So we're in the range.
Just 2. Yes!
What are you gonna say to Daddy?
Thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye. Oh my god. So I need to add 2 to. I have £5 left. Stand up and run. That belongs there.
Come on!
Me some.
So we need to go down. I need to get something.
So I have 2.
The
It's saying
side.
£6.99, so £7.
Yeah. Put it on that side, darling.
You want another? Making sure these ones don't spill. Because the other ones that I got yesterday, I dropped them.
So magkatabi lang kasi yung The Range at saka Lidl. So punta muna kami dito.
Should we just go to Lidl?
Yeah, okay, fine. Let's have a look. We need croissant ba? This one. Pang kape ko. What else? Do you need anything?
Mum,
Yeah?
Mum, look. The film. Walking in the night side, night side. Mum,
Go!
night side,
Gusto mo ba?
night side.
So, tapos na kami. So, ayaw ni Kirang pumunta sa Sainsbury's. Sabi ko, punta kami. Kasi malapit lang naman. Grabe, ang init, Pab. Oh, it's hot. So, mag-vlog na lang ako pag
Guys, we're going home now.
nandoon na
Not going
kami.
Sainsbury's.
Ayaw niya talagang pumunta. She's not going there. Let's put it down. Init! That was it. So, see you later. Bye! So, nakauwi na kami. First time kong mag-drive na wala talaga kasamang adult. Like, di ba yung kasama ko si Dave, si mother-in-law, si father-in-law. Today talaga kami lang dalawa ni Kira. So, okay naman. Hindi masyadong busy. Pero sa car park, medyo busy. So, syempre, as a learner pa din ako kahit nakapasa na. It doesn't mean na nakapasar ka na is magaling ka na. Kahit nakapasa na, hindi ibig sabihin magaling ka na. Nag-learn pa din as long as you are safe. And that's the main thing. So, malapit lang naman kasi yung New Haven. Ano lang? 15-20 minutes away. Walang 20 minutes. So, nag-prepare ako ng chicken. Kay si Kira gusto ng adobong manok. Nakalimutan ko kanina. Babad ko muna siya. Maaga pa naman. Mag-4 pa lang. Umaya pa naman ako magluto. Mga 5:30. So, yeah. You okay, Bob? Ginawan ko si Dave ng overnights para mamaya pagka-uwi niya. Wala na siyang gagawin. I think magawa ako ng salad sa kanya. Ginawa ni Kira. Akin daw to. So, gamitin natin. So, luto na tayo ng dinner. Magawa ako ng stir fry. Kaya gusto ko ni Kira noodles ba. Pero hindi man siya kumakain ng prawns. Pero lagyan ko lang para may lasa ba. Sabi ni Kira, Ma'am, is that pancit? Paborito niya din kasi ito. Pero hindi man siya kumakain ng prawns. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng kunting broccoli. Dito naman, yung adobo na marami pang sabaw. Gusto ko yung walang sabaw ba? Yung dry. Did you wash your hands, Bob? Kakain na si Kira. Pardon? Hinahin ko muna si Kira. Mamaya na ako pag kunti na lang yung sabaw. Si Dib pauwi pa lang. So kami na mauna ni Kira kaya nagutom na kami. Si Dib mga an hour pa yun. Okay. Okay. Yan yung kay Kira. Tapos na ako naghugas, hindi na ako nag-vlog kay hugas pa naman. Ay. So ito lang yung dinner ni Dave. Tapos mag-ano ako ng salad. Tapos i-ano ko to, i-bake. Yun lang. Maya-maya lutuin ko na yan. Pag on the way na siya. I mean, on the way na siya, pero mga 20 minutes pa daw. So, yeah. Maya-maya lutuin ko na. Sige, end ko na dito yung vlog. Kaya mag-scrub na ako dito. And, tapos na. See ya. So, thank you so much guys for watching. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye!